these times, one, I am super grateful to still be in a safe space with our family, and two, we were also really enjoying videos and reels with mom and dad. I thought let's make a super fun haul, especially because this time Zivame is having the Mother's Day sale and अपने लिए तो कुछ नया नहीं है, but it's the perfect time to actually shop for you and your mom together. I'll show you a few pieces first and then I'll let mom come and show her picks, the ones that she wanted and knew will really work for her. Talking about the sale, it's the Mother's Day sale which starts on 5th May 8 PM, where there's up to 60% off this time, free shipping, easy 15-day returns and cash on delivery is also available. So I've made the most of trying to explain a guide कि किस टाइप के कपड़े के अंदर क्या पहनना चाहिए, just for ease and comfort, because the point of clothing is comfort. So if the lingerie shows, it's not really a problem, but if it is something that bothers you, then I've curated a list of solutions for any and every problems that I've faced through all these years. So let's begin this super fun guide plus haul. So I'm going to start with the most useful thing कि सबसे अतरंगी से अतरंगी कपड़े भी अगर आप इंस्टाग्राम पे देखोगे ना तो उसमें ये चीज़ चल जाएगी, एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड निपल पेस्टीज और जस्ट पेस्टीज इन जनरल. व्हेन आई वाज स्मॉल तभी भी पेस्टीज मिलते थे, पर मुझे शर्म आती थी कि ओ लाइक व्हाट इज दिस फ्लावर शेप थिंग. नाउ आई अंडरस्टैंड एक्जैक्टली द पर्पस फॉर इट. सो इफ यू आर नॉट लुकिंग फॉर एनी सपोर्ट, like if you want to get the support from the top only na, then all you can do is use the nipple pasties, which are just going to give you coverage over there. However, if you do want a lift also, so you get special kind of pasties for that. First I'm going to show you a variety of different pasties. If you just need a little bit of coverage, then you can use the floral ones which have a very thin cloth on the middle, but they're ultra comfortable. And if you want a good amount of coverage, then you have silicone ones and foam ones which are quite thick. So you can also use them in conjunction to any lingerie. If it's a little old and if the material is worn out, then you can add a pasty to just make it a brand new one again. Talking about the ones which can give you a lift, वो usually stick-on वाले ऐसे आते हैं कि glue ऊपर होता है उसके. This is a very good example of a pasty like that. You can stick this on your chest and then this area you're supposed to pull it and stick it. So that way it will also give you a lift. And the main reason why I wanted to show this is I come in the mid-chest area, like a medium size. So I still need support even if I'm using pasties. So I can only imagine for all our girls who come on the heavier chest side, आपको भी support अगर चाहिए रहेगा, so this is a very good option. Coming to more support, even more than that, like if you want a proper coverage and if you want to keep your chest like together, so for that you get proper stick-on bras. The most common one looks like this. The best part was that I was able to find an E-cup size, and E-cups are usually rare in such kind of fancy stuff because fashion industry usually just assumes कि heavier chest size या just people with more weight would not wear fashionable stuff, which is sick, which is totally untrue. So I'm glad we could find an E-cup, and this is like, it's perfect. The glue can stay for long amount of uses. So only thing to remember is ये जो plastic आता है यार, please वो फेंकना मत, उसको safely रख के रखना, so that once you're done wearing it once, you just take the plastic, you'll put it on this again and it's good to go again, brand new. The stick-on bra like this comes with lace in the middle so that you can tighten it up as per your preference. If you want a little bit more space, just loosen it up and you can create more space between both the stickies. If you don't usually need that much space, then what you can do is get one like this, where you're first going to stick it on yourself, and then there's a clip in the center with which you can actually attach it in place. For something like this, you can use them individually also if you don't want them to be together, or you can first stick it and later on just clip it on to put it in the most comfortable place. And the final stick-on, which is one of my favorite, is this one, which is meant for ultra deep neck and cleavage top. As I'm growing up, I'm getting more and more comfortable with my body, which also includes my cleavage. So I do enjoy wearing like deep neck tops sometimes. A bra like this is the perfect solution because काफी बार strapless bras need to give it that support now, so they're not super deep neck, and this is like ultra deep neck and also comes with flaps on the side कि in case you're wearing something backless, this is also transparent and it won't take any attention away from the top. So when you wear something like this, कितना भी deep हो, your bra will not show if you don't want it to show. Now I'm going to start with super ultra basics, which is for your everyday wear, t-shirts or tops, but just the most perfect bra for everyday wear. And for me, that is the Zivame Soft and Sheen t-shirt bra, because I don't know what is so different about this, but the fabric on this is crazy comfortable. Even right now, that's the one I have on. This one I bought easily over a year ago or something. I would say the one I have on currently. So I bought a nude one in my new size and a grey one for mom, because grey is also quite a neutral color. If you're bored of having just nudes in your wardrobe, you can go for a grey, because wo itna like not dark enough to show through a lot of clothes, but it's a good change as well. So two basics, one for me, one for mom, to go for everyday. It's not underwired, it's well padded, so it won't show your nipple, and it's just, even the straps are super comfortable. So if you're looking for that one bra which goes with everything, go for this in nude, because for everyday wear you need something that is not going to show lines exactly, and it's not going to make you remember constantly that you're wearing something uncomfortable. You don't want to be tugging at it every few hours. So that's why this is great, because honestly I don't even feel like I'm wearing something while it gives me great support. So hands down, if you buy any one thing from this video, it should be that particular bra. Okay, the second one I want to show you is the one with transparent straps. The reason I'm including this in the video is also for comfort reasons, because I personally know a lot of people in my life who don't find strapless bras the most comfortable kind of lingerie. So they still stick to transparent straps wale, which also have a transparent back. What this particular strap does is, when any light is reflecting on it, then it does show ki acha there's something on his skin, but it won't show exactly what's there. So in most scenarios it's not visible, but when there's like a harsh light on it, it just gives a shine. Because it has straps, it still gives you more comfort than a strapless bra. So if you don't like those, you can definitely go for this kind of a lingerie. If you get annoyed of straps on your shoulders, or if you just do find strapless bras comfortable, then you need to own one. Now that we're growing up, I have a very close friend and she's just venturing into risque fashion and risque top, जिसमें सिर्फ एक पट्टी होती है, maybe off shoulder. So she doesn't own a strapless bra yet, and I was like, you need to have at least one, because वो Indian wear में भी काफी काम आती है, because आजकल पट्टी वाली कुर्ती भी काफी ट्रेंड में है, and I love पट्टी वाले कपड़े. You know that. One strapless bra each. Again, one for mom, one for me, because she also needs to have a dedicated one. The thing with mom and I is कि since I grew up, I think maybe since I was 15 or 16, our sizes are the same. एक टाइम पे तो foot size भी same हुआ करता था, but I grew even more. She's a 5, I became a 6. So now we can't share shoes exactly. She can wear mine, I can't wear hers. But clothes we can share. Clothes we're still almost the same size. She ends up wearing my strapless bras only the most, so I just bought two, ki whichever one she likes most she can keep. They're both in nude, because see, nude is the most versatile color. वो ना सब वो dark पे तो जाता है, but light में भी जाता है. If you're just building a lingerie collection, then nude is what you should go for. Now both the strapless bras have a slightly different material. This one has a more padding and has more sheen to it, and this one is purely cotton. Both of them come with rubberized inside, so that can give you a better hold and better comfort. And the straps are detachable, so it's not like if you're buying a strapless bra, they won't give straps at all, because you can also use it with straps whenever you want for more comfort. But personally, I always take the straps off only and use, or I make it a crisscross, because this is a multi-way bra. Now you can take the strap off and put it on the other side. Take this one and put it here, and now it has become a crisscross bra. So if you're wearing a tank top or something like that, then you can easily make it this way and it won't be visible. So that's why strapless bras are quite multi-purpose, and this is why it's on the second number in my top list. If you're looking to buy more than one bra, this should be your second pick. Okay, now for the rest of the bras, at least I'll have to call mom, because these were the picks that mom chose. Two of them I picked myself, knowing कि ये मम्मी का taste है, and two of them mom picked कि this is what I want. So let me just call her. She'll explain you much better than me कि उन्होंने ये क्यों लिया. So we finally have Mama Wade with us. आप लोग इतना प्यार देते हो ना मम्मी को कि she keeps waiting only कि कब तू मुझे वापस वीडियो में ले रही है. तो आज का वीडियो तो है ही उनके अराउंड. We don't usually celebrate Mother's Day very grandly, because रोज ही मेरी ये कोशिश रहती है कि मैं कम से कम परेशान करूँ, ज़्यादा ना करूँ. But honestly, we don't wait to gift each other that much. But the sale is a good time to stock up on your essentials. So आप आपके choices बताइए. And usually लोग मुझे पूछते हैं कि what your mom must be thinking कि this is the kind of lingerie you buy or you wear. आज सुन लो what my mom thinks.
मुझे खुद को फैंसी बहुत पसंद है, कलरफुल बहुत पसंद है. दैट बोरिंग ओनली ब्लैक वाइट ऐसे नहीं पसंद है. हाँ, न्यूड मुझे कम पसंद है, बट वो हमें रखनी ही पड़ती है हमारे वार्डरोब में, क्योंकि काफी सारे टी शर्ट्स रहते हैं जो वाइट है. दैट्स वाई हमें वो न्यूड रखनी पड़ती है कुछ ड्रेसेस के लिए. तो सबसे पहले मैं दिखाना चाहती हूँ दिस रेड वन स्पोर्ट्स. जैसे कि आपको पता है मैं योगा बहुत करती हूँ, सिखाती हूँ. तो दिस इज वेरी कंफर्टेबल, लाइट पैडिंग है, ब्रीदेबल है, मटेरियल भी बहुत अच्छा है. ये पीछे से ओपनेबल है, तो दैट इज द मेन बेनिफिट। अदरवाइज स्पोर्ट्स ब्रा में क्या रहता है कि आपको ऊपर से चढ़ाना है, दैट्स व्हाई मुझे ये बहुत अच्छी लगी। कलर भी बहुत ही प्यारा है। सेकंड है दिस येलो फ्लावर वन। जैसे कि आप सबको पता है येलो कलर मुझे बहुत पसंद है और मुझे थोड़े से बड़े कप्स चाहिए जो प्रॉपर अच्छे से फिटिंग बैठे। तो ये बड़े कप वाली और आगे जो इसमें मटेरियल है वो थोड़ा सा नेट जैसा मटेरियल है, तो काफी कंफर्टेबल है ये डालने के लिए। कलर तो बहुत ही प्यारा है।
मेन आई थिंक ये डीप नेक्स में भी काफी हेल्पफुल हो
Yes,
सकता है कि
yes.
बिकॉज द कट इज ओनली लाइक दैट, लाइक इफ यू आर वेयरिंग अ शर्ट एंड यू कीप द टॉप बटन ओपन फिर भी ये दिखेगा
Yes.
नहीं। सो आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट विल बी रियली गुड फॉर।
सो थर्ड मेरा फेवरेट है अगेन इट्स येलो कलर, यू कैन से येलो नियॉन कलर। सॉफ्ट पैडिंग, कंफर्टेबल मटेरियल। इसके जो ये बेल्ट है वो डिटैचेबल है, जो आप आराम से निकाल के भी पहन सकते हैं, इसको यूज कर सकते हैं। इसकी पैटर्न मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी। नीचे ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट स्ट्राइप दी है, ब्यूटीफुल प्लेन येलो कलर एंड बहुत कंफर्टेबल है।
You can make this also multi-way, like आप इसको one shoulder भी बना सकते हो। Personally, like when I saw this one, I knew it screams mom's name. This is the one I picked for her. बाकी सब छोड़ के she's like ये क्या है, ये किसके लिए, मेरे लिए कि तेरे लिए? I'm like आपके लिए ये, don't worry.
अभी मुझे बहुत बहुत मेरी जो फेवरेट है दैट इज ये कलर भी प्यारा है एंड सी बैक पैटर्न। इट्स अ टी बैग, कलरफुल येलो ब्लू कलर, बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है। अगेन पेड वेरी कंफर्टेबल, मटेरियल भी कॉटन मटेरियल में है, पहनने से भी ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं लग रहा है लाइक पैडिंग है, ज्यादा हेवी लग रहा है, बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल है। थिंक टी बैग में मेरे पास ये दिस इज माय फर्स्ट वन, कलरफुल एंड टी बैग में।
मेरे को अभी थोड़ा समझ में आ रहा है कि why she buys this kind of stuff every time we come online, especially in Zivame, is कि we used to shop from a local store only from the station market for the longest time until we started shopping online. तो वहाँ पे ऐसा collection कभी होता ही नहीं था, like the neons and these kind of fancy tea bags. Floral was the most experimental thing they would have. So she's experienced all the nudes and everything normally, so she keeps going for colorful now. So my mom herself loves experimenting. She doesn't judge me at all for my choices. In fact, she has a better choice if I must say. Now we move on to the lower wear section, which is underwears, or as I call it, chaddus. Mama is going to show you one category that usually she always asks me to order, and I do not exactly understand why. So let her only explain.
जैसे कि आपको पता है मुझे भी लाइक वन पीस वो सब पहनना बहुत पसंद है, जैसे टमी। सो लोअर बैक में हमें जो टमी रहता है उसको कवर करने के लिए मैंने ली है ये दिस टमी टकर पैंटीज। काफी कंफर्टेबल है, इलास्टिक काफी स्मूथ है इसकी।
If she wears a normal innerwear, उसमें क्या हो जाता है ना कि we both of course gained weight in the lockdown, तो उसमें पेट ना गिर जाता है उसके ऊपर से। तो it's not bad at all if you're comfortable. It's amazing that you're comfortable. But personally, she likes it much better if there's a band which is holding it all in. It just makes her feel, and instantly ना posture भी ठीक रहता है। पता है अगर इधर कुछ टाइट रहता तो it's just one of the major reasons why she likes it. So anytime she's wearing anything high waisted, denim हो या एक bodycon dress हो, she'll stick to this.
So ये है सेट ऑफ टू, वन ब्यूटीफुल पिंक कलर, डार्क पिंक कलर, अदर इज न्यूड कलर। इसमें और भी एक है,
This is a boy shorts. Boy shorts मतलब बीच में पार्टीशन आता है, like shorts जैसे होता है technically.
दिस इज वेरी कंफर्टेबल आई फील ड्यूरिंग एनी काइंड ऑफ फिटनेस एक्टिविटी। आप जिम कर रहे हो, योगा कर रहे हो, इवन डांस कर रहे हो। एक तो इसका बेल्ट भी काफी बड़ा है, काफी सारे हम लोग में ट्रैक पैंट वगैरह रहते हैं जिसमें हमें
Like वो panty line basically दिख जाता है. So boy shorts are the best for working out.
Yes,
Like we
yes.
always talk like that only. In our previous haul, those we've established that.
दिस इज वेरी ब्रॉड बैंड, सो काफी कंफर्टेबल है। टमी के ऊपर आपको पूरा टमी आपका काफी अच्छे से ये कवर करता है एंड इसमें भी आपको बिल्कुल भी ये ब्रीदेबल है और काफी अच्छा इलास्टिक है, तो बिल्कुल भी आपको पहनने के बाद एकदम टाइट या कुछ अनकंफर्टेबल नहीं लगेगा।
So these were like the pics that are taken especially for mom. ऐसा नहीं है कि इसके अलावा जो भी मैं आपको अकेले दिखा रही हूँ वो सिर्फ मेरे लिए. I told you we share all clothes ना ऐसे.
yes.
We just don't share panties because for hygiene reasons that's not good. Bras तो कभी कभी हमारे कबाट में ना इंटरचेंज हो जाता है because हम खुद भूल जाते हैं कि ये वाला किसका ये वाला किसका है. So we just share like camisole, bras and all of that. So you'll see her in the try-ons for sure. I just wanted her to explain her side of things. So I'll finish the rest of the video. One very important bra we forgot to show you. ये मैंने मम्मा को ही दिखाने के लिए रखी थी because this wasn't something she ordered. ये मैंने ऑर्डर करा था but she freaking loved it. It took her 2 minutes to understand कि exactly कहाँ से क्या हो रहा है, but once she understood she was like this is a genius piece. This thing is actually meant for a peekaboo kind of top. The only problem is I don't own a top which has a peekaboo at the cleavage, but I can definitely show you some pictures of outfits under which this can be styled. I particularly remember this blazer that Priyanka Chopra wore on some talk show. Either was Fallon, I don't remember, but basically you don't have to just use pasties if that's not your comfort zone. You can actually look for a bra which is a solution to your problem. So in this there's a peekaboo bamboo at the center. You can easily wear it under the top like this and rock a wave. It is genius, right? इसके cups भी, like the cookies also, these things are called cookies, like the padding and inner padding. So the cookies are removable in case you want to use this as a bralette and you don't want any padding. You have that kind of a freedom. The new kind of collection recently, all the multi-color straps and these kind of patterns have my heart. Wanted to explore more, but I already crossed. Like I already had finished my budget, so I was like, next time kar lenge. Okay, coming to the low wear. So mom already explained the whole concept of a tummy tucker kind of underwear. Let me show you another kind, which is called a no visible panty line. Wash shorts is usually my answer to most scenarios where the panty line should not be visible. However, there's a specific style called no VPL, which is no visible panty line, and this is what it looks like. इसमें कैसा रहता है ना कि there are no hems or no edges on any side, not on the leg area, not on the waist area, and that's why there's no lines only which are supposed to show up when you wear something bodycon at all. If you don't like wash short as a concept, then you can go for these kind of underwears, and again go for them in nude only. I have this pair of linen pants, so उसमें hem भी दिख सकता है even if it's nude. So this kind of an innerwear is perfect to wear under clothing like that. This is a lifesaver in a lot of scenarios. And coming to our best friend, the normal cotton panties. Like these cotton ones are my favorite because like I don't sweat in them, and even if I sweat in them, they absorb it really well. They give me all day comfort, and I usually wear them under jeans or joggers or my pajamas. So घर पे तो मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता about how anything looks. It just needs to be super comfortable. But even under denim, because denim is so thick, even under a white denim, this kind of a color will not be visible because the denims are very thick. And joggers का भी same reason है because joggers काफी मोटू होते हैं. They have a fleece lining also usually a lot of times. So उसमें any color you wear, any shape you wear, it doesn't really show up. So personally, the one that I find most comfortable is a cotton brief. High-waisted hipsters, they are my favorite always. So this is a set of 3 and it's quite funky. It has bunnies on one. It has pigs, cute little pigs on another one. One is a bright pink. Clearly, we're a fan of bright colors. So now we enter the next section, which is of inner slips and tights. So this technically is not exactly lingerie, but this is a kind of clothing category which goes over your lingerie and under your final outfit to either add a layer or to give you more comfort in terms of giving you more coverage. Without exactly realizing that you're wearing something like this, we started wearing this category of clothes right during school. At least in my school, when we had those pinafores जो नीचे से skirt होता है, brown color tights were compulsory. So tights are a perfect example of this category where it's not ever visible on the final outfit, but however if the skirt flies or if you want to एक के ऊपर एक पैर रख के बैठना है, it's very comfortable. Like the tight will show and not exactly your innerwear. So that is the purpose of layering. So if you're wearing like a white dress or if any kind of dress, and if this will add more comfort to your outfit, you should definitely wear it because then you'll be more carefree throughout the day wherever you're going, or in this case wherever you plan to go. Now another category I found is very different. Like I didn't know this existed. It's an underskirt but for a mini length. So usually underskirts ना, I've seen this 5-minute craft hacks and वो लोग क्या बोलते हैं कि ट्यूब टॉप को स्कर्ट की तरह पहन लो, which is a great hack. Like one thing can do 2 things. However, that can only work for people जिनकी body symmetrical है. Now मेरा chest size और मेरा hip size is completely different. Like my hips are very big compared to my chest. Nothing to be ashamed of. It's just the way my body is. तो मेरा ट्यूब ना मेरे hips में नहीं fit आता है. So this is something that can definitely help me out. Like if there's a skirt which is a little translucent, which is not that transparent, like I can wear my no VPL nude underwear in it. However, if I just want to add more comfort, if that's what will make me feel more confident, then this layer is perfect. If you want to make it shorter, बस waist पे से ऐसे आप fold कर लो and it'll become shorter also for a super mini skirt. But it's great. Like this was a genius idea. If you want to wear something white and if you don't want the black to peek through, then you have the same thing in nude available as well. So I have this white skirt which has lemons all over it. It's a great skirt, but it has such a good flair to it कि sometimes I get a little iffy कि I don't want to flash anyone. This is a very good thing to layer under it. Doesn't even show on the outside at all, so it's perfect like that. The camisoles became a rage when the style of wearing a shirt आधा off your shoulder and आधा on your shoulder came into place. कि लोग black camisole के ऊपर ऐसे shirt पहन के shorts पहन के निकल जाते थे, and that is how I also came across camisoles. मुझे तो लगता था कि वो top है, but actually camisoles came into picture as a layer layering piece. The best example is a plain black camisole, which has been, at least in India, so I have seen this going on since ages for deep neck tops, because it was a taboo. Cleavage has been a taboo around us for a long time. So until recently, when people are vocalizing कि it's okay to be comfortable with your body, कोई पाप नहीं कर रहे हो अगर you're wearing a deep neck top, तो उसके पहले लोग cover करने के लिए use करते थे if a top was deep neck but you still would like to wear it. You can easily wear this under translucent tops as well, or like a top in itself, because I also wear it like that sometimes. So camisoles are very versatile. They can be an innerwear, they can be an outerwear top, and they can just, you know, add a good layer of neckline if that's what you want at that time. These ones have adjustable straps too. So if you have big shoulders, or if you're worried about the strap constantly falling off, you can just make it tighter at any given point of time and it will be very secure. A new discovery while making this guide, a nude freaking camisole. So transparent tops, organza tops have picked up the trend again. I have this one sequin top and I just could not figure out what to wear under it to save my life. Like I've never worn that top outside or even for a photo or a video, because I didn't know कि इसको मैं अंदर क्या पहनूं, because it's impossible for me to get a different slip for every single organza or transparent top I have. So I came across this nude camisole and it is brilliant. It's brilliant because it goes under any sheer top, under any lacy top, because even lace tops are quite in trend. But then if you have a white lace top and if you wear a white camisole under it, then the lace isn't exactly visible because the white camisole will cover up all the spaces. So a nude camisole is perfect if you want to get into trends like that. And the next two layers are meant for dresses. So the first one is this huge shapewear, I would say. And the thing with shapewears is I feel super comfortable in my body. Like अगर मेरा पेट भी निकला है ना, तो मैं फिर भी bodycon पहनूंगी. Whether I've gained weight, whether I've not gained weight, because like I've reached that place as of now. Every time I'm wearing high-waisted shorts or high-waisted something, it adds a different level of comfort. So the reason why I bought this is for that comfort, and that's why I bought this in double XL, because I don't want it to exactly compress my body. I just want it to give me comfort, and I want something super high-waisted. So I don't think this is exactly going to like morph and give shape to my body, but it'll just be there to give me support for my loose fit too. Cute bodycon dress, or for any kind of dress where I want good like a hug basically. The second one is this slip, which is very good for Indian wear actually. So first I thought कि any white dress that you have, any white western dress, उसके नीचे आप ये पहन सकते हो, because white dresses do tend to be sheer. Now that I understand clothing a lot more after having my own clothing brand, it's because white fabric is tough to get opaque, and if it gets like, if you thicken the material, then it starts becoming hot. So if there's any white dress you really want to wear but you're not able to wear outside, then you can layer a slip under it. And for chikankari kurtas, because see, this one blue कुर्ता I have, उसमें ना एक उसके साथ स्लिप आया है, but the other three कुर्ताज I have उसमें स्लिप नहीं आया. तो it was a struggle कि उसके अंदर क्या पहनने का, ये पहनने का. It'll just go with it easily. So a nude slip like this is very versatile to aid styling a lot of different clothes. So we're nearing the end of the video, and I have two useful add-ons. So the first one is this pair of socks. Now socks, I don't know कि categorically lingerie में आता है कि नहीं, but I do get questions a lot whenever I used to put my shoe cam stories कि this is the shoe of the day, क्योंकि हम पहले बाहर भी जाया करते थे, वो भी एक लाइफ हुआ करती थी. But so whenever you don't see any socks on my shoes, it's because I wear something like this, which is again called a no visible shoe liner or an invisible sock. So I do not like wearing my shoes directly because I sweat like a pig. मुझे बहुत पसीना आता है, and then my shoes start stinking and they don't last long enough, and I feel uncomfortable in general. So even if I'm going for like 10 minutes, I always wear these kind of socks and head out. So these socks are an essential for me, and this is what you can wear under sneakers if you don't want the sock to show up. And second super useful add-on are these bra extenders. So most of the people I know in real life don't know what this is. You have to place the hook on one end of the bra and this on the other. So this gives you this much extra space. देखने में लगता होगा कि इससे क्या होता है, but try करके देखो. Like it can, I think, size the bra up easily by one size. Like a 32 becomes a 34 easily, maybe even a 36 if you put it in the end. These work very well if you want to continue using a bra. Like if the cups still fit you, but it's just a waistband that has gone up, you won't have to spend all together for a new piece. And इसमें you get different varieties. If your bra is a 2-hook one, you can go for this. And if your bra is a 3-hook one, then you get a 3-hook one extender too. But finally, to conclude, I wanted to show you two more pieces which I found very interesting. Not exactly for the guide, but these are very important pointers. The first one was, I wanted to look for the biggest size available. So as per that time when I was shopping, I found 44D or 44DD. Again, to be super inclusive, this was the biggest size I could find. If you're not able to find it during the sale, don't worry, it might come back in stock after the sale or in the next sale. If this is the kind of size range you fall into, I could find it on this particular website. The last thing was not useful. It is useful because it's hot. It's very hot. I got this idea because I was speaking to a friend one day and she was like, she's moved back to her family's place because of course what's happening outside. She doesn't usually wear shorts, like she doesn't feel comfortable wearing shorts at home like that. So she said she wears capris all the time, and I'm like, this makes sense about why capris exist, because they're not completely full but they're much longer than shorts and they add more comfort from that sense. So there were two particular capri items I picked, again one for mom, one for me. So this is the one I chose for mom because she loves culottes. Like when the culotte trend came, she owned like 10 culottes, and I used to not like culottes a lot at that time. So I would be like, mummy ye mat pehn yaar, kuch aur pehn. I kind of get the idea now. So I thought of getting her a plain pink one so that she can style it however she wants and make a really good outfit. And for myself, I picked a cupcake one because ab main khaa to nahi rahi hu zyada, to might as well just wear it. This is the bottom. It's a stripy one with cupcakes all over it, and the top has the same cupcake print to tie the whole outfit together, show that it's one PJ set. It's a matchy PJ set. This was my huge Mother's Day Zivame sale haul plus guide, like exactly what you can wear under what kind of clothing item. Do remember to use the coupon code Hailey Zivame to get extra discount on whatever you buy, because you'll get, like, even apart from the 60% off, you'll get extra 10% off on this. The Mother's Day sale starts right now, which is on 5th of May 8 PM, and it has up to 60% off, free shipping, cash on delivery, and easy 15-day return and exchange. You can also download the app for a very smooth experience. And if you liked anything from this video, सारे links description box में definitely होंगे. So if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And if you did not enjoy watching this video, bindas give it a thumbs down. I will see you in a brand new video very soon. But stay home, stay safe, and please take care of your loved ones. If you feel mentally strong enough, then do try to help others. And if you don't feel mentally strong enough, take some time off social media. Ask your very close loved ones to give you as important news as you need to know. And just take care of yourself, because if you won't feel well, you won't be able to help anybody in your life. So take lots of care. I will see you very soon. Until then, goodbye.